I have all these DeWalt tools and I need lots of batteries. Now, when you need lots of batteries, all the DeWalt ones are expensive, but these DeWalt replacement batteries from Lele are pretty nice. So what you get in the case is two 20-volt 6 amp hour batteries, and they have the battery display on them, and they have a really nice feel and construction to them. And the good news is you get two. And not only do you get two of those, you get this fancy dual charger that charges at 3 amps. And it's pretty nice, and it's also got two USB ports on it for charging whatever else mobile devices you have. And I like that it can do 12 volts and 20 volts. And I really like this detachable cord. Like, I have not seen a detachable cord on a charger forever. So if the cord gets messed up, you know what you can do? Just buy a new one. But the battery performance I was really happy with. I put them on my DeWalt tools, and I normally run DeWalt 6 amp hour batteries. And I put these guys on, and I didn't notice any difference. I put it on every tool I had, and it ran just the same performance as the regular DeWalt battery. So for a replacement battery, these DeWalt battery replacements are pretty nice. Any tool you run them on, they do the job, and they're very comparable to DeWalt batteries. But they're a nice price for a DeWalt replacement. Two batteries and a charger. You know what? I'm sold. Sounds good to me. I highly recommend these replacement batteries. Work for me.